Installers must accommodate for the vertical thermal expansion of Everlast Board Batten panels. To do so, at the top of a wall, maintain a 1/4 inch gap between the top of a panel and the inside edge of the pocketed trim. Start by fastening the lowest nailing slot. To do so, position the fastener at the top of this nailing slot. Then loosely fasten, maintaining a minimum 1/32 inch gap between the head of the fastener and the panel. Now, working your way to the top of the panel, loosely fasten the panel at every third nailing slot. Again, locating each fastener at the top of each nailing slot. And again, always being sure to leave a minimum 1/32 inch gap between the head of the fastener and the panel so that panels can move freely. Follow these required procedures and Everlast Board Batten panels can thermally expand as required.